Hi everybody, it's Nunu, your friendly teacher guide, and my purpose in this video is to teach you how to make a video. We are going to learn how to make a Flipgrid video, and we are going to use this assignment, Flipgrid Introductions, Hello, my name is, as an example. So the first thing we would want to do is scroll down in the assignment, and we want to read the directions. We want to make sure that we understand what we need to do in the video. So let's read these directions. In a 30-second to 2-minute video, tell us what name or nickname you use, your major, describe your ideal character arc in life. Okay, I got it. So I'm going to simply scroll down. I'm going to click on Add Response, that blue box that I just clicked so swiftly on. And the software for Flipgrid is uploading the video. Now, I could show my face, but I want to have a little bit of fun, so I'm going to pick a backdrop. I think I'll pick this one. I like that. Reminds me of Minecraft. And I'm going to go into Effects and click on GIF. I want to put somebody in that backdrop, and wow, I like this one a lot. And so I'm going to select this person, and you're going to see why. I must not fear. I love that. So I'm going to click on the white 0 here, that round shape, and I'm going to begin to make my Flipgrid video. 3, 2, 1. Hello, my name is Nunu, and my major is English, and my ideal character arc is transformative. It's beyond positive. It's transformative. And it's transformative because it's one in which I feel that I must not fear. I really like this GIF here. In the beginning of my life, I think when I tried to do something and I failed, I thought maybe I'm stupid, I'm not good enough, there's something wrong. And I think that was a really negative character arc. So I want to go beyond a positive character arc to a transformative character arc. And I want to be somebody who learns to embrace failure. If I fail, I'm going to take that as a learning opportunity, and I'm going to keep trying to do something until I get it right. So that would be a transformative character arc. I look forward to learning all about you, your major, and what your ideal character arc is. Okay, so I've clicked on this white 0 again, and I've ended the video. I'm going to click on Next.
Hello, my name is...
Now, I'm clicking on Next again to get past that. That would simply replay the video to me, and if I don't like it, I could do it again. I could just do it until I like it and I get it right. But I think this will work. So I'm going to click Submit. My video is being uploaded right now. So let's wait for that to upload, and yay, it's done. I click Done, and I've got my video. And I hope that this video about how to make a Flipgrid video was useful to you.